Dipavali Hazra. Reports say that a deal is in the works to form a Shiv Sena, NCP and Congress alliance government in Maharashtra. Reports quoting sources say that the Chief Minister will be from Shiv Sena for a full 5-year term, while the NCP and Congress will get to appoint a Deputy Chief Minister each. Shiv Sena has also left the post of Speaker to be decided by the NCP and the Congress. Soon after, NCP Supremo Sharad Pawar held a meeting with Sonia Gandhi Monday evening. Shiv Sena's Sanjay Raut called on him. Raut did not let on much about what transpired at the meeting, but said that there will be a Sena-led government in Maharashtra soon. Raut only said that he discussed farmers' problems with a senior NCP leader. On the second day of the winter session in Parliament, the Lok Sabha is set to discuss the pollution crisis in the national capital. Congress's Manish Tiwari and BJD's Pinaki Mishra will initiate the discussion. The debate will conclude with a response from the Environment Minister Prakash Javadekar. Delhi reels under severe air quality annually in the month of November, primarily due to stubble burning from the neighbouring states of Punjab and Haryana. Key bills on surrogacy laws and the Jallianwala Bagh Memorial are being discussed in the Rajya Sabha today. The stringent surrogacy draft law seeks to regulate surrogacy in India. It applies the condition that only married heterosexual couples medically certified as infertile can opt for surrogacy in India. The Jallianwala Bagh National Memorial Amendment Bill 2019 states that it seeks to delete the mention of President of the Indian National Congress as a trustee. Prime Minister Modi paid tribute to former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi on her 102nd birth anniversary. Congress Interim Chief Sonia Gandhi, former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, former President Pranab Mukherjee and former Vice President Hamid Ansari paid homage to Indira Gandhi at Shakti Sthal in New Delhi. Former Karnataka Chief Minister H.D. Kumaraswamy took a shot at the Congress for its alliance that's shaping up in Maharashtra with the Shiv Sena. He said that the Congress was abandoning its secular credentials by tying up with the Shiv Sena, and he said that even the JDS then could be open to allying with the BJP if the party does not get enough seats to remain in power post the December 5 by-polls. The Haryana government has decided to revise the minister's house rent allowance from Rs 50,000 to Rs 80,000 plus Rs 20,000 to cover electricity and water charges by bringing an amendment in a rule of the Haryana Minister's Allowances Rules 1972, an official statement in Chandigarh said. This was the first meeting of the Council of Ministers after Manohar Lal Khattar expanded his cabinet with 10 members being sworn in on November the 14th. An avalanche struck an army patrol in Siachen on Monday, killing 4 soldiers and 2 civilians. An army patrol of 8 personnel was hit by the avalanche, from which all were pulled out, but 4 personnel and 2 civilians succumbed to extreme hypothermia due to the freezing conditions in Ladakh. Union Defence Minister expressed grief over the demise of the soldiers. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more.